Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce, my name is Maritza Dewi Kusuma. I am grade 12 Clinical and Community Pharmacy. Here I will present about report writing with the theme of science. The effect of rumination on memory retention. Abstract. Long-term torpor is an adaptive strategy that allows animals to survive harsh winter conditions. However, the impact that prolonged torpor has on cognitive function is poorly understood. Hibernation causes reduced synaptic activity, and experiments with mammals reveal that this can have adverse effects on memories formed prior to hibernation. The impact of rumination, the winter dormancy that is observed in ectotherms, on memory remains unknown. The aim of this study was to examine whether an amphibian, the fire salamander, Salamandra salamandra, was able to retain linear spatial information after a period of rumination. 12 fire salamanders were trained to make a simple spatial discrimination using a image. All subjects learned the initial text. Upon reaching criterion, half of the subjects were placed into rumination for 100 days, while the other half served as controls and were maintained under normal conditions. A post-rumination memory retention test revealed that animals from both conditions retained the learned response. Control tests showed that case solved the text using learned information and not olfactory cues. This finding contrasts with much of the mammalian research and suggests that the process involved in prolonged torpor may have a fundamentally different impact on memory in mammals and amphibians. From Maritza Dewi Kusuma to Miss Dewi, date October 10, 2021. Subject: the effect of rumination on memory retention. Long-term torpor is an adaptive strategy that allows animals to survive harsh winter conditions. However, the impact that prolonged torpor has on cognitive function is poorly understood. Hibernation causes reduced synaptic activity, and experiments with mammals reveal that this can have adverse effects on memories formed prior to hibernation. The impact of rumination, the winter dormancy that is observed in ectotherms, on memory remains unknown. It is introduction. The aim of this study was to examine whether an amphibian, the fire salamander, Salamandra salamandra, was able to retain linear spatial information after a period of rumination. 12 fire salamanders were trained to make a simple spatial discrimination using an image. It is steps taken. These findings contrast with much of the mammalian research and suggest that the process evolved. All subjects learned the initial text. Upon reaching criterion, half of the subjects were placed into rumination for 100 days, while the other half served as controls and were maintained under normal conditions. It is findings and suggests that process involved in prolonged torpor might have a fundamentally different impact on memory in mammals and amphibians. It is suggestions. A post-rumination memory retention test revealed that animals from both conditions retained the learned response. Control tests showed that they solved the text using learned information and not olfactory cues. It is further information. And Maritza Dewi Kusuma studied. It is name and designation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.